Hey Dad, are you gonna work today?
Yes, son, you're right about that. What do you want?
I don't know, I just feel like a little bit bored. Can I just do something? Or anything I want?
Yes, you can do whatever you want, but don't do anything dangerous, alright? Do you hear me?
Okay, I hear you, Dad. Don't get angry with me.
So, yes, I hear you. I'm going to work. I might take a long time, but don't worry. But don't do anything dangerous about it, okay? You can just drive around, do whatever you want. You could just play whatever, and you could just play with me if you want. But for now, I gotta go to work. See ya.
Okay, bye, Dad. Hmm.
Explosion imminent.
Oh,
Evacuate the facility immediately.
hey Trueno!
Yes, buddy?
We need to get out of here right now before the facility gets destroyed.
Okay, but can we please, go drifting before the facility explodes?
Yes, we can, but we only have like 6 minutes before it explodes, okay?
Okay, get in.
Okay, it's drift time.
Do you like my car? My car. My car. Guess you're ready, cause I'm waiting for you. It's gonna be so exciting. Got this feeling really deep in my soul. Let's get it, I wanna go. Come along, get it on. Gonna take my car, gonna sit in. Gonna drive along till I get you. Cause I'm crazy, got you ready. Know you like it. I wanna race for you. Shall I go now? Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna step on the gas tonight and be a lover.
Oh shoot! Oh, oh no, I crashed. Oh god.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, boy.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Don't be lazy, cause I'm burning for you. It's like a hot sensation. Got this power that is taking me out. Yes, I'm gonna pleasure you. Ready now, ready go. Gonna take my car, gonna sit in. Gonna drive along till I get you. Cause I'm crazy, got you ready. Know you like it. I wanna race
Ho ho ho! That was a good one.
We don't have time to explain, Torino. We only have like a minute and a half seconds to go to the helicopter before the facility explodes, okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna run as a flash tonight to be the winner. I'm gonna step on the gas and save the big show.
Oh no. The helicopter's not in the helipad. How is that possible? I have no idea, Torino. Sometimes they do travel. Sometimes they're here in the helipad, but sometimes they... Okay, we gotta find another way.
Guess you're ready, cause I'm waiting for you. It's gonna be so exciting. Got this feeling really deep in my soul. Let's get it, I wanna go. Come along, get it on. Gonna take my car. Do you like my car? Cause I'm crazy, got you ready. Know you like it. I wanna race for you. Shall I go now? Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna step on the gas tonight and be a lover. I'll be so quick as a flash. I'll be your hero. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna run as a flash tonight to be the winner.
I found it!
Oh, really? Oh, good news.
On the gas
Dad, are you in here too?
Yes, son.
But Dad, I thought you were still at work.
Yeah, I know, but they said they're gonna explore the facility until we get the helicopter and get out of here before the facility explodes.
Okay. Well, take off then. Oh. Phew. It was just a dream. Whew. Oh, hi Dad.
Oh, hey there, son. How's it going? You doing good? Okay, good.
Can you make me some breakfast? I'm really hungry.
Yes, son, I'll go make some waffles for you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching this awesome video of a Toyota AE86 video of drifting and escaping the facility until it explodes for 6 seconds. 6 minutes, I mean. Also, guys, I had to help my friend Rise FM. If you don't know him, he is my friend. So yeah. And it was actually kind of hard, but it was so perfect at the same time. I don't know if you guys consider this perfect, but I consider this as a perfect shot. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. Peace.